Good morning, students. Coming back to solid state. Welcome to solid state. Yes, in previous class we discussed about what is the contribution of a lattice point towards a single unit cell in the crystal lattice. So lattice points are situated at corners, at face centers, at the center of the body. Yes, depending upon their situations, their contributions are decided. Yes, in the previous class we discussed about contribution of each and every lattice point which is at corner, which is at face center, which is at the body center. Contribution of each and every lattice point towards a single unit cell. Of course, a lattice point is an atom. A lattice point is an atom. This is what it is, a lattice point. Lattice point. This is an atom, but this is not completely belongs to this unit cell only. This is belongs to entire crystal lattice, right? We need to calculate number of atoms present in a unit cell. We need to calculate number of atoms present in a unit cell. That's why we need to memorize contributions of lattice points towards a single unit cell. As we discussed in the last class, lattice point which is at corner, lattice point which is at corner, contributes 1/8 towards a single unit cell. Rest of the lattice point is with other unit cells. 1/8 part only to a single unit cell which is at corner. Then lattice point which is at face center is half. Half of the lattice point belongs to one unit cell, half of the lattice point belongs to this unit cell. And contributions, these are what? Contributions towards a single unit cell. A single unit cell. These are the contributions towards a single unit cell, students. If lattice point LP which is at edge center which is at edge, otherwise not at corner, it is 1/4. We calculated everything in the previous video. Lattice point which is at body center is 1. Contribution is 1. The body center lattice point belongs to the same unit cell. It is not in contact with any other unit cell. Keep that in your point. You have to memorize all these contributions. Corner contribution is 1/8. Corner lattice point is contributed 1/8 part, and lattice point which is at face center, it is going to contribute to a single unit cell is half. Lattice point which is at edge, otherwise edge center, contributes a single unit cell by this much, 1/4, right? And lattice point which is at body center, BC in the sense what it is, body center is going to contribute whole to the unit cell. That body center lattice point belongs to the same unit cell. That's it. How this is 1/8, how this is 1/2, how this is 1/4, how it is 1, which is discussed in the previous class, right? Yes. Now take the heading calculation of atoms, calculation of number of atoms present in a unit cell. Calculation of number of atoms present in a unit cell. Very, very important for your board examinations and as well as for your competitive examinations. Calculation of number of atoms in a unit cell. Yes, students. Now I am taking what? Simple cube unit cell. Simple cube unit cell. Right. Here number of lattice points are, 1 minute, number of lattice points are 8. Number of lattice points are 8. This one, 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 and this one. 4 plus 4. Number of lattice points 8. But number of lattice points are not equal to number of atoms. This atom is not completely belongs to this unit cell. Keep that in your mind. This atom is not completely belong to this unit cell. Some part only belong to this unit cell. Rest of the part is shared with other unit cells in the lattice. Crystal lattice, right. So number of atoms is equal to number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell is equal to how many corners are there? Lattice points are just at corners in simple cube. So 8 lattice points are there in 8 corners, and each contribution towards this unit cell is 1 by 8. Each lattice point is going to contribute 1 by 8th part only, right? So number of atoms you have to count means, yes, number of lattice points which are at corners only in simple cube, 8 into 1 by 8. Only one atom is present in a unit cell of simple cube. So how many number of atoms present in a simple cubic unit cell? In the sense, only one atom is present. Only one atom is present in a simple cubic unit cell. Right? These are all lattice points or belongs to the simple cubic unit cell. These are all lattice points or belongs to a simple cubic unit cell. But memorize. Total whole this lattice point is not belongs to this unit cell. Only 1 by 8th part is only belongs to this unit cell. Rest of the lattice point is contact with, otherwise contributed to other unit cells in the lattice, crystal lattice. That's why we are calculating number of atoms per unit cell. This is number of atoms in simple cube per unit cell. For a single unit cell is number of lattice points in a simple cubic unit cell, 8, all of them are at corners, and each contribution towards this unit cell is 1 by 8. 8 into 1 by 8, you will get total number of atoms, that is nothing but only one atom is present in simple cubic unit cell. That's it. Now I am taking what? FCC unit cell. FCC unit cell in the sense, along these corners we are having lattice points at face centers. At face centers like this. This is what FCC. This is the lattice point belongs to the front face. This is the lattice point belongs to the rear face, otherwise back face. Okay, right. Now number of atoms in FCC unit cell is equal to, yes, in FCC unit cell also there are 8 corners and each contribution is 1 by 8. So is equal to, yes, according to corners, number of atoms are equal to what? 8 into 1 by 8, this is 1. According to face centers is equal to, how many faces we are having? 6, right? 6 into each contribution of phase center is half. 1 by 2, this is 3. That is what? 3. So total number of atoms in FCC unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 6 into 1 by 2. That is what? 1 plus 3. That is what? 4. This is very important. In FCC total number of atoms, in FCC unit cell total number of atoms are 4. In FCC unit cell total number of atoms are 4. Just keep that in your mind. In FCC unit cell total number of atoms are 4. In simple cubic unit cell total number of atoms are 1. But in simple cubic unit cell how many lattice points are there means 8. In simple cubic unit cell how many atoms are there means 1. How many lattice points are there in simple cube? 8 lattice points are there. Whereas in FCC total atoms, in FCC unit cell total atoms are present. They are what? 4. Total lattice points in the sense 8 corners, 6 face centers. 8 plus 6, 14 lattice points are present in FCC unit cell, but only 4 atoms are there in a single FCC unit cell. You are getting my point? As I think so. Then I am going for BCC now. Just wait a minute. BCC in the sense what? Yes, along these corners another single lattice point is at the body center. This is nothing but what, students? BCC, right? It is nothing but what it is? BCC, Nana. Right. Number of atoms in BCC. Here. First of all, number of lattice points in BCC. Now you tell number of lattice points in BCC. 1, 2, 3. Along these 8, one other lattice point is there. 8 plus 1, there are 9 lattice points, 9 LPs, right? Lattice points. Now we are counting number of atoms in BCC now. Number of atoms in BCC, students. BCC. According to corners, it is same. 8 into 1 by 8. No face centers in BCC. According to body center, right? According to body center. According to body center is equal to 1 body center is there, its contribution is 1. 1 body center is there, its contribution is 1. So this is what? Contribution of body center in BCC. Total number of atoms in BCC unit cell is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1 into 1. This is what the contribution of body center. It is 1 and it is also 1. 1 plus 1. Total number of atoms in BCC unit cell is 2. Total number of atoms in BCC unit cell is 2. In BCC unit cell, there are 2 atoms only there. Right. Yes. At a glance, I am going to give you one by one. Yes, first one is what? Simple cube. Structure is just like this. Lattice points are 8. Total number of atoms is equal to 8 into its contribution is 1 by 8, number 1. That is 1. Total number of atoms in a simple cube is 1. Second one is FCC. Just structure seems like this. Wait a minute. right? So eight corners, six face centers. This is FCC. Lattice points are 14. 8 plus 6 14. Number of atoms is equal to 8 corners, and each contribution is 1 by 8 plus 6 bodies, 6 face centers, each contribution is 1 by 2, 1 plus 3, that is 4. For what? For what, students? For FCC. Then for BCC, just structure is like this. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one body center will be there. Then lattice points are 8 plus 1, 9. Number of atoms is equal to, yes, of course, 8 into 1 by 8 plus 8 corners are there, each contribution is 1 by 8, and one body center is there, its contribution is 1, so number of atoms are equal to 1 plus 1, it is 2. In here number of atoms are 4, here number of atoms are 1. By means of this way only we have to calculate number of atoms present in a single unit cell. Right, students? I hope you are all understanding this video, and today onwards I am going to send a small videos because uploading is somewhat time taking process. So I decided to send 2 videos per day. They are what, small videos, like below 20 minutes I am going to do, right? Any doubt is there means you have my WhatsApp number, you send me through WhatsApp. And one more thing, yes, take notes for each and every video, right? It is very useful for your preparations, right? Thank you.